What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, King Josiah, and I'm back with another video. And Mayday, Mayday, we got some very important news. Listen here, hey, Tesla is dropping like crazy. And like, I got money in TSLY. If you ain't watched my video on Max ETS on how to turn $3,000 into $50,000, make sure you watch that video. And if you have not seen my first months of December payouts of my dividend distributions, make sure you watch that video also. But anyway, Tesla, it's a lot going on. It's been red. It's a lot of blood in the streets, and all I'm seeing right now is red, okay? And I don't like that for my portfolio, so we gonna get into it on why I'm still bullish on Tesla and why you should not sell. And matter of fact, you need to buy. While all these people selling, they not eating the food on their plate, we gonna eat that. So let's get into the video. Now, today we talk about three major things, or four. You know, Elon Musk, his big stock sale. You know, we talk about that Cybertruck incident, you know, and whew, it's not looking too good. We talk about how these Chinese companies, these Chinese EV companies, you know, they might be lying about their numbers, okay? So, number one, the headlines, they claim that Elon Musk, he sold a huge chunk of his Tesla stock at the end of the year. But, you know, it just don't seem right, okay? So, what really happened is he donated it to his charity, okay? Why? Because that's what rich people do. That's how they avoid paying their taxes, okay? It's a finesse. You know, if you know the game, you know it. And if you don't, you better learn it, okay? It is what it is. So by donating his stocks instead of selling them, Elon Musk, he avoid capital gains tax while still reaping the benefits of, you know, looking generous. You know, it's a win for him. But let's not get it twisted. It's a financial strategy more than pure philanthropy, okay? It's another example of how the rich and the wealthy, they operate on different playing fields when it comes to taxes. Meanwhile, the media, they like to spin it like, oh, he cashing out, but it's not what's happening. Number two, we could talk about that bomb, that Tesla bomb in the Cybertruck, okay? We all seen now, okay? It was crazy. It said boom. I said, oh my gosh. So let's get into it. News outlets, they, as soon as January 1st, soon as the bomb went off, news outlets, oh, a Tesla truck exploded, it's a major failure, da, 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 da. They playing with people's pockets. Listen, they know we got our money in this stock, and they really try to play the narrative like, oh, it just blew up. No, okay? So what happened was, somebody, they had a plan, they strategically planned this to drive a car in front of a Trump hotel, tower, whatever it was, in Las Vegas, and brand new Cybertruck, new or whatever. I don't know if they paid the guy. I don't know if they paid him or what he's gonna do with the money now, because he self-deleted on GTA. But it was some bombs in the back of the truck, okay? And what's crazy part is when the truck exploded, it went up, and the truck is still good. You can repair the truck that literally exploded to a bomb, which is crazy. So like, you know, they try to really just play Tesla down, but really that really just helped them out, because now, you know, the truck is bomb proof, okay? So it's weird. It's really weird, okay? Now, next up on the list, we're gonna talk about these Chinese companies and, you know, what they got going on and when they inflate their numbers, okay? So recently, a Chinese company made headlines for reporting a record-breaking for their EV sales. Well, like I said, they've been including hybrid vehicles in their EV numbers. So we're gonna break this down. Hybrid vehicles is not fully electric, but by lumping them together, they inflate their sales to look more competitive against companies like Tesla. This kind of manipulation can confuse investors who think they're buying into a company by dominating the EV market, when in reality, it's a mix of hybrids and fully electric vehicles. Tesla dominance in pure EV remains strong, but competitors are using their marketing tricks to shift the narrative. Now, I think the Chinese company is called like BYD or YNB. It's something like that, okay? But if you also, we can talk about Tesla in their Q4 delivery decline. So Tesla reported delivering fewer vehicles in Q4 than expected, which immediately sent the stock down. Deliveries fell short of projections by around 4%. Tesla delivered about 405,000 vehicles when analysis expected over 420,000 vehicles. Okay, this decline comes amid the growth of competition in the EV market and demands concerns in key regions like China. Okay, investors see this as a red flag, especially since Tesla is known for beating expectations. But let's be real, 1 weak quarter does not erase Tesla's dominance in the EV market. Okay, it's weird, right? I know, man. I know it's weird. Okay, so Chinese companies in the EVs, we will explain how hybrid vehicles are included. Oh yeah, I already said that. My fault. My fault. But to take away from this, we will talk about Elon Musk and his tax finesse. It was a strategic move. It was not a stock dump. Also, we learned that the Tesla Cybertruck incident, it was misreported, and we need to highlight how the media love to twist the narratives. We're going to talk about the Tesla. We talked about Tesla and the Q4 delivery decline. And we will reflect the short-term challenges, but this does not relate to long-term potential. Okay, we still got the robots coming. We got the robots and we got the Cybercab. And they starting to build the Cybercab or something like that around 2020, late 2025 or something like that, right? And we talk about these EV competitors and using marketing tricks to inflate their success. But as always, we focus on the bigger picture. Tesla, the innovation, the brand, the loyalty, and the long-term growth. But also we stay critical and do our own research when it comes to the industry reports. Do not be fooled. Okay, so what do you think about all this Tesla news? Are you buying the dip, or are you just watching, staying on the sidelines? How do you feel about these EV sale tricks? And drop your thoughts in the comments. Okay, so if you enjoy this if you enjoy this content, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more investor breakdowns, hit the bell so you never miss an update, and as always, thank you for watching.